Hello folks, welcome to Harrison Lego Media. I'm Brian Harrison, and today's Lego set which we're going to build on this channel is going to be these flowers, well, not all of these flowers, just a flower. But anyway, before we get started, please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. It'd be much appreciated, and don't forget to hit the bell notification if you're on YouTube. If you're on Rumble, you can follow us there as well, and don't forget to hit the like and comment section there. Anyway, this is what I got from my woman's work. They did this appreciation of their workers, and so this is one of those things. They did it for a week, but this is one of those things they got. Was a little Lego set, and there's no box with it because I guess they probably divided it and gave instructions and stuff like that, and here you go to build the flower. And you can see this is the little bag we're going to open. It's not much. Here's the instruction book. That's why you see the instruction book, because that's, at least I had a picture of it like this. And here you go, instruction book on how to win and do stuff. Well, let's get started. Alright. So, yeah. Like I said, if I'm able to get some Lego stuff, this was free, so if I ever get some Lego stuff, I will build. So here you go. And there's, like I said, there's no image of the box. This is just what we got. Probably if you bought the box and all that, I know it came from obviously a set, you would have, but that's fine. If I ever get the box set of these, I will go and do that. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see if we can build this. Alright, there's 3. I'm looking to see what's here. See if I could build this. I have a feeling there's more than that. Okay. Alright, there's one of these. Let's see if all the pieces are here. That's what I'm kind of nervous about. Alright. Let's put the top one in. Let's put this one in. Let's put this one in. And then we do the same thing, except I think they kind of want us to put it in before. These are the white pieces. There you go. Okay. And here you go. Here's this piece already done. Yep. Oh, let's see. Let's see this. Okay. Well, anyway. I think you want to off-center it. There you go. So it looks like to me. Okay. Let us do more. Wait a minute, hold on. So how that... What? Okay. Let's do that. Okay. Let's add this. Alright. There we go. Okay, now we add all these shields in here. That's right. All the shields. If I wasn't building flowers, these shields would be so nice for Lego nights and stuff. I guess if you wanted to build your own Lego Knight army, buy a bunch of flowers that have this. Yeah, that's a way to do it. Oh wait, hold on. Wrong way. How do you flip it around? And do it this way. So, here we go. It would help if I could actually... There we go. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. There you go. There's what it is. Awesome. That actually does look like a flower. Okay. So, well, we did the first part of this. So now they're trying to get you to build the other flowers, but we don't have those. So now it's time to try to figure out about building the stem of the flower. So let's see. Okay, here we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we get to put pieces together. Okay, so I guess it's just a long build. Let's see here. I don't think it matters. I think we just put end by end all the pieces, as far as I could tell. Unless I'm wrong. How many pieces is that? Okay, so there's... So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces. Okay. Then, see, there's a weird... I think it's going to be a gray piece. There you go. Because we got to add in, and then we add the rest. We got to add in, we can't forget that this flower has leaves. So, we got to add in this piece here. And then we got to add in this piece. And this piece. Oop. This piece. And then we'll wait and add in the rest of the stuff, because that's how we do it. And actually this flower is easy to build. I love this thing. And then we keep adding to it. We keep making the... I forget what it's called. I need to look at what it's called on the instructions. I know it's probably like a sunflower. It's probably what it is. So, here we go. Alright. We do it to the end. And there you go, to the very end. Look at that. Start at this end. Oop. Start at this end. And you work your way all the way down to that end. So yeah, that's and there's the middle of it. So there you go. Now we go to the next page, and we add in our leaves. Okay. Leaves. You can, I guess, have them that way. You have them straight up or whatever way you want them. There you go. And then you add the top to your flower. Here you go. And then make some tweaks to make it look like a flower. There you are. There's your flower. That's one of them. And when we got one of the flowers, it's really nice. This is the end of it. Or you can have a bunch of flowers. That's probably what it came with, but she just got one of the flowers. Yeah, I'll have to look up the set number. It was set for 0. Oh, hold on, come on. 40747. I'll have to look it up, see what they actually called it. Anyway, that was fun. We went through all the instructions. Built this one flower. Apparently, I think you built like a few of them, but she got one of them. So, which is nice. It's still nice she got one of them, I guess. You know, it's really nice. So there you go. That's the end. That was the end. That's the end. Here's the flower. And so there you go. It's a very nice, I love it. Very nice flower. Hope you guys love it too. Thank you for watching my video. That was just a short building video today of this flower. But I want to thank you anyway. And I want to say God bless you. And bye for now.